This is a demonstration of attaching files into our XLR library. Files are attached based on components. So for instance, you could select a component, attach a file, and you'll notice that we already have a file selected that's been attached. It's an SO20 step file for 3D. We could also add, for instance, by browsing, a additional file. It will select that it's a text file if you want to view it later, and you just say select. You'll notice that now it's attached to the file. When you say done and you go into the library, if we go back to that part, look at attached files, we see that it's there. When you export, when you export, you will need to select to export user attached files to get that file out. And that file will be exported to an attached directory. So for instance, if we select to export all of this to Excel, and we then export, what we expect to see happen in our directory is a list of not only the Excel files that we exported, but the attached files for this date. And these were the files that were attached to our different components. If you went and looked into Excel for this date, this is the data that was exported for Excel. It should be noted that attaching files to any component will allow it to go into our database storage, and it will go into a binary XLR format, the BXL format as well. The one thing that you might also question is, could we attach a binary file? And the answer to that is actually that yes, we can. If we add a file of a binary nature, it will select. It will unfortunately make a much larger file, ASCII file, than what we had before, because of course we have to compress it in an ASCII format. So that should be something that you're aware of.